John Lloyd and Bea. Is there a Popoy in you? And is there a Basha in you?
Oh,
and did it change through the years? Kasi 8 years ago, the role was kind of different from now, di ba? Nag-evolve din ba?
Yeah, definitely nag-evolve talaga yung character ni Popoy because 8 years is a long time. Imposible hindi siya magbago. But the core, of course, remains the same. But ang maganda kasi is, di ba, ang interesting is kung ano yung ikikwento mo in between. Paano niya naabot yung after 8 years and paano ba, ano bang pinagbago. Yun, but if you ask me kung mayroong Popoy sa akin, imposible pong wala. Kasi pinanganak ko po yun eh. Lumabas po yun sa akin. So, imposible pong walang bahid ng pagkatao ko yung character ni Popoy.
Totoo po yun, sa bawat character siguro na ginagawa namin, parang for it to be organic or ano, hindi mo pwedeng i-acting na walang parte ng pagkatao mo yung hindi kasama dun sa character. So yes, to answer your question, yes, may Basha po in me. And siguro malaking parte dun yung kung paano rin siya magmahal at kung paano niya hawakan yung pagmamahalan at promises nila sa isa't isa.
Okay, thank you, Paige. Direk, I have a question.